What's up, guys? Coming to you with a review on the new Sachs 2.0 Mars Yard shoe by Nike. So I'm just going to answer a couple questions, and yes, I have worn my pair actually instead of selling. They have been worn for a couple of days, all day, which is like 8 to 10 hours, just doing walk-in or whatever else. So it's kind of like a little performance review. So on the sizing, I am a true 12 and a half. I do have shoes in 12. I have shoes in 13. And the Jordan 1s, I wear 12 and a half. Air Force 1s, normally a 12. Stuff like Air Max, I'll wear a 13 in, or whatever else. For these, I decided to pick up a size 12, and I'm glad I did. They do fit just a tiny bit small, but the materials that it's made of kind of makes it real easy and pliable to where it doesn't hurt your feet or like cram you in or anything. So I am glad that I went with a 12 over a 13, but if you're more closer to 13, then grab the 13. If you're more closer to 12, grab the 12, because if they made 12 and a half, then I definitely would have been okay with that, as well as the size 12. Comfort, they aren't the most comfortable shoes in the world, so if you're looking to buy them to replace like a pair of like Vapor Max or the Adidas Boost or something like that, then that's not what they're gonna do. The sole is from a combat boot. There's no like lunar line technology or anything. I think it's just a Phylon midsole, so take it as you please. At the end of the day, my feet didn't hurt while they were on. They would bother me a little bit, but not really. Nothing that I was like, oh my God, I gotta get these off. And when I took the shoe off, like I said, my feet were fine and comfortable. They didn't hurt or ache or anything. So they're just in between. They're not something I would brag to somebody about, that like they're super comfortable, but they're also not like, oh my God, these are the most uncomfortable shoes ever. Somebody asked me while I was out actually if they were comfortable, and I kind of gave them one of these. So it's just in between. I mean, like I said, nothing to brag home about. Quality seems good to me. I'm gonna try to wear them a lot to see how long they can last. But it's a real nice shoe. I'm glad I got it. It's what I wanted for my birthday. So I was able to get a pair off Nike.com when the release happened. I'm actually glad that they kind of messed up on the release, or whatever everybody wants to call it, because that made it a lot more fair for me, and I was able to grab my pair, luckily, because I was prepared. Didn't use a bot or anything, just used my laptop. And that's about it. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen other shoe reviews on it if you're looking up this review, but like I said, that's just a quick kind of performance review. They're real good. If you want to get them for every day, get them for every day. Like I said, I'm going to try to wear my pair every day, but they are not Ultra Boosts or anything like that. So don't go in expecting that these are going to be Ultra Boosts. They're probably more comfortable than the NMDs to me, but in my mind, those suck really bad for a Boost shoe, but maybe same level as that, maybe a little better. But like I said, I'm using the mesh insole for now. We'll use the cork later when they get a little older or whatever. So if you want to grab it, grab it. Is it worth the resale? 200 was already kind of high for me. The most I would pay would probably be like 300, 400. If you got to shell out 600, 700, however much they're going for, I wouldn't do it. Just take your talents elsewhere, especially if you're looking for like an everyday shoe or something. Any other questions, just leave them in the comments, and I'll be here to answer. And that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching.